Hello, my friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your router. I have a new router here, and you see I have and they all connect. The old one connected. Okay. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your devices. This video is for education purpose only. Okay. Thank you. Uh, you need to write down the new network name and the password in a piece of paper. Like as you see right here, I have you see the seat is AT&T 960, and I have my password here. So you need to write down because you're gonna need it to connect all the devices. You need to connect your all your smart devices like cell phones, tablets, TVs, music, Bluetooth device, everything you need to reconnect it. Okay, so that's why you need the seat name and the password. Okay, so basically it's only you. The only thing you need to do is to connect the same cables. This is the line cable, DSL cable, goes right here, DSL broadband, and I have only one computer connected by a network cable. This one, so this one are the network cable ports. So 1 through 4, and same thing here, 1 through 4. So if you connected a computer with a cable and you don't have a wireless card inside your computer, so you connected by the cable. This cable goes to my PC, and this is the power. So first we need to do is try to unplug the green cable here and plug it here. Okay, and now connect this one because I'm using, like I said, I'm using one computer, so I'm gonna connect it to port 1, and then I'm gonna connect the, the power. Okay, so I need to connect this power cable that goes here. Okay, and now we need to wait for 15 minutes until all the lights come out. So I'm gonna remove this one because I don't need it anymore. And now we're gonna work with this. Okay, so I'm going to connect it now. Okay, during this process, you need to wait 15 minutes and do not disconnect any cable that you already connect. Okay, so like I did connect 3 cables, so I won't disconnect it, and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna pause my video. As you see, the power light come on, and we need to wait for all of these lights to come on. Okay, as you see, this light is blinking, so let's keep waiting. Okay, it's still working. It already passed like like 9 minutes, so a little bit more. Okay, so now it passed 15 minutes and it's ready. You see the power should be green, Ethernet should be green, and Wi-Fi light blinking, broadband 1, and service should be uh, not flashing, static, but the Wi-Fi should be flashing. Okay, so when you see all these four lights, then and then you see like these four lights, and the last one you see right here, service. That means it's ready to connect your devices. So let me show you right here. So you need to connect all your devices, like I said before, your cell phones, TV, smart TVs, your Roku devices, tablets, music devices, Bluetooth devices. You need to connect it again. Okay, so like from here, I need to go here, and then click here. Wi-Fi not connected. So this is the new. Let me show you which one is the new one. This one is the new one. Okay, so I need to type the password here. Okay, so now join. Okay, incorrect. Make sure it's okay. Let's see now. Make sure your password is correct. Then join. Okay, so now it's connected. Okay, so now you can see that it's working. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, so thank you so much. That's the way you replace your new AT&T router. This is an AT&T viewers. So I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, give me like, and check my other videos. Thank you so much. Happy New Year.